Hello everyone, Adrian Antolak from CG Hacks here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add custom materials to your Octane in Cinema 4D. Let's get into it. So first, we need to find a place on our computer where we want to store all of those custom materials. For me, it will be this folder here. And I'm just gonna create here a new folder called Octane local DB. And as you can see, I have Carpaint's Octane CG Hacks here. So let's just extract it here and just drag it to the new folder we just created, like so. Let's go back to the Cinema 4D, click at the Octane, click at the live viewer. Let's minimize it. Click at the Octane icon so it starts running. And in here, we want to click at the materials, open LiveDB, and our materials will be visible under this local DB here. But first, we need to click at the file, change local DB directory, go to the folder we just created, and select it. Click yes. And it doesn't really do anything right now because we need to restart this window. So let's close it. Okay, so we're back. That was your average Octane crash. So it might happen. But yeah, let's go back to the tutorial. So click at the Open LiveDB. And now that we refresh it to whole crash, actually, we can see our local DB folder here with our materials and all the categories as well. From here, if you want to use it, let's open first maybe this material manager. We can see this box. Let's take the blue flakes, for example. All you need to do to use it is just right click and click at the download. It will automatically put it to your material manager. From here, you can just drag it into your shape and it will already be applied, as you can see. And if we do any changes here, like changing the color to slightly something else, and let's rename it to purple flakes. If I go to the materials and open LiveDB, we can see it doesn't affect this one. So we can still click at this download button here, and it will open the fresh material we just edited previously. So it's non-destructive way of playing with those materials. Let me now show you how you can save this. All you need to do to save this is just drag it into this black space here, and it will automatically be saved. As you can see, purple flakes, and we have our material here. If you want to delete it, just right click on it and delete user material and click yes. And that's it for this tutorial. It's a really cool way of using custom materials in Octane. It's non-destructive and it will speed up your workflow a tons in the future. Hope you find it helpful for you and see you in the next one.